just want to process them. For now, we'll do this inline. Oh, it did that? No. Yeah, so if we have an encoder, am I in the right place? Why is this under decoding? Ownership of the frame remains with the caller, and the encoder will not write to the frame. Yes, this gets a frame. So yeah, what I want to do. And then I want to go AV codec send frame. And I want to send to the codec. Can I immediately free this? Ownership of the frame remains with the caller, and the encoder will not write to the frame. The encoder may create a reference to the frame data or copy it if the frame is not reference counted. Okay. This signals the end of stream if it's a null. Yeah, okay. All right, I think what this is saying. I mean, in the single threaded program, it currently doesn't matter. But if we make the output encoding multi-threaded, which we might, the more I think about it, the more I think it may be the right thing to do. Ownership of the frame remains with the caller, and the encoder will not write. The encoder may create a reference to the frame data or copy it if the frame is not reference counted. I think that's fine. Yeah, I think that's fine for a multi-threaded program because it'll copy or reference count it. Okay, so send a frame to the codec, and the frame I want to send is this one. So if that's a lot of parens. I want to warn X S errored when encoding a frame. And then I want this to be AO format, O format, name, AV error to string, res. And this unrefs a packet, which I don't think I want to do. I don't think I need to. And then I want to turn res if that happens. Maybe this should be another function. Okay, so we can send a frame to the codec context. Right, and then I can read into a packet. So I'll need a packet as well. These structures are very similar. AV packet. Maybe I should, no, let's not do it. Let's not complicate things. So format codec. I think the only thing I don't need is a frame. Yeah, because the ownership remains with where the frame came from. So I want if res equals av codec, does it receive packet? Yeah. Receive packet, AO codec, AO packet. Then I want to warn X. Basically do this when receiving a packet. Like that. Return res. This should probably be in another function, but we're just powering through. The function will always call AV packet unref before doing anything else. That's fine. Read data from the encoder. This will be set to a reference counted packet allocated by the encoder. So basically I need to unref it when I'm done. AV packet unref. Like that. So it's allocated by the encoder, so I just need to make sure to clean up. Just need to make sure to clean up. No. 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 I don't want to return. If we can't write out, I still want to... Yeah, no, I don't... I still want to try to compute everything else. Just because I can't write out, that's not a good reason to stop computation. Not being able to get input at all, that is a pretty good reason for stopping computation. And in fact, maybe I want to put all this in a function at some point. Just make this read packet. So read a frame from the input format. Shouldn't I deallocate the packet ASAP, like down here? I think I should be deallocating the packet way earlier. I think it makes sense to do it down here. I think I should be doing it here. Finished reading the frame from input. Yeah, like this is structured like a function. Why am I resistant to making it one? There's something in my brain. I think the thing in my brain that's making it resistant is the fact that it's literally only ever called inside this process audio input. And strictly we haven't finished there because we're still receiving a frame. We receive a packet. So we sent a frame, we received a packet, and now format, muxing. Write frame, even though it's a packet. No, just write it. Just write it. Is it AV format? No, it's just AV. Write frame. Do I need an output? No, format context. Just a packet. Ooh, we're not done with this packet yet. Ooh, we gotta put that down there. Yikes. I don't think this matters. What do we do up here when there's a problem with the codec? Should I be doing that here if there's a problem with the codec? I don't know. I haven't decided. To do, reopen the codec like above. To do. Why am I doing this? Just because I can? I'll have to go over my footage to find out. Warnex S errored when writing a packet. When sending a packet, I don't know. Ayo. I'll just grab that. All right. Now that should currently do nothing except maybe crash. Gain. Recording. Gain. I have to be very careful where I call this. Am I really gonna declare this function? Okay, let's swap these around. Let's swap these around. It's a close output instead of close input. Guess codec. I mean, maybe. Guess format. I don't know about guess codec, but guess format actually seems kind of reasonable. No, I went to the wrong place. No, I didn't go to the right. AV warn unused result. I almost wonder if I should just be using the format context, but with its O format set correctly. I'm not entirely